Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. A rare model. Features also include heated seats, rear view camera, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitor, ventilated seats. Take a ride in the 2017 Lexus RC. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, LED headlights, tires, front performance. Inside you'll find backup camera, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, power windows, power steering. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.